One of the finishing touches on our Lexus LS430 is that in Japan, it's a Toyota Celsior. So we're putting JDM Toyota badges on it because that's sort of a mark of a VIP car.
Ta-da!
I only have one question, Amir.
What's that?
Do the curtains match the rug?
A VIP build is not a true VIP build without all the little details that matter. The JDM badging is just the start, but it's the interior pieces that are really going to help define our VIP aesthetic.
Check these out. Oh, wait. Check these out. Nothing screams VIP
VIP!
like custom embroidered headrest covers.
They on, Nads?
They're on.
We got super lucky with that one because these were back ordered from AimGain forever. We found 2 of the last ones from Lexus, put them in, plugged right in, bolted right in, fit perfectly. Well, in that case.
Now that we hung our Fusa knot, it's a junction produce item, but it actually traces its roots back to the Danjiri Matsuri festivals in Japan, which are these traditional cart pulling festivals. So it's supposed to be a symbol of good fortune.
We should have put this on at the beginning of the build.
We really should have. I think that was our first
Yeah,
mistake.
exactly. We did it the wrong way. Come on, Nads, what are we doing? We're gonna put these on every single car we build before we start.
Yes.
Dude, Nads, this thing looks mean. I'm very happy with it. I love the way it looks.
It looks so good. We took what was essentially a country club cruiser and we transformed it with the Bag Riders kit, our AimGain body kit. We got a beautiful respray. Let's not forget our Ordnance.
Yeah, thanks to
Great
3-piece.
tires and wheels. We learned a lot about the VIP culture. The other thing that we learned, this isn't as easy as it looks, is it?
I have to admit, of all of the builds we've done, I expected this one to probably be the easiest and the least amount of work. It's like, okay, get some camber into it, which I've never put this much camber into a car, and custom arms. Pretty complicated.
It was, but I feel like we're there. We're gonna debut our new shirt.
Yep.
Very excited about that. Going to see our friends from Bowles. Very excited about that. And we're gonna roll in style.
So, fenders rolled tomorrow, and then we're ready to party.
Yes, we are. Oh, is it time to party already? Please
Just
tell me
about
it's time
time.
to party.
Just
Your legs
about
are
time.
telling me it's time to party. Dance off, dance off.
These shorts are getting shorter tomorrow.